IDEX Health and Science, a premier manufacturer for the optical industry. The IDEX Health and Science team works closely with your designers to develop a solution that is manufactured on budget and performs at the right level. From lenses and components to full turnkey optical systems, we deliver so you can get to market faster. All solutions are designed to your specifications, thoroughly calibrated, tested, and delivered ready for product implementation. We combine expertise in optical and mechanical design, optical fabrication, coating, metrology, and high-precision assembly with a global manufacturing base to provide turnkey optical systems that are unmatched in price and performance. Our engineers design and manufacture along every stage of the imaging path. From source to sensor, every component is carefully designed to meet the customer's requirement. Illumination, lenses, filters, mechanical structures, and electrical components, including sensors and motion control, are all integrated to achieve optimal data fidelity. Your solution can be delivered fully housed, ready to plug into your application. Our in-house manufacturing facilities can fabricate virtually any spherical, aspheric, cylindrical, or flat surface needed in any quantity. Our coating technology ranges from standard EV to the labeled Cirrus Pro DUV optimized thin film deposition system with APS, the highest performance plasma source available in the industry. IDEX Health and Science designs and produces a wide range of custom lens and optical assemblies for illumination and imaging applications, including life science and medical instruments and semiconductor metrology tools. We use clean room assembly and air-bearing alignment stations to obtain element centration as tight as 1 micron. Looking for an all-new type of partner, from lenses to full systems? Start a conversation with our application engineers today.